Welcome back to entrepreneurship lecture. In continuation with the previous topics, I just continuing the topics of unit first, that is the introduction of entrepreneurship and management. So the next topic I would like to cover is the characteristics of an entrepreneur. So what are the characteristics of an entrepreneur it should have, okay, to run the business smoothly? So the first characteristics of entrepreneur is the calculated risk taker. That means the entrepreneur is directly related to the risk taker. Okay, so the profit is all dependent on how big risk an entrepreneur is taking. Okay, so the first characteristics of an entrepreneur is he is ready to take risk. The second characteristics is innovator. That means the innovation, how innovating technologies, how innovation the entrepreneur is taking, is adopting. So innovative the idea, the higher will be the chances of getting the enterprise profit. So innovative will be the idea is directly proportional to the profit of the enterprise. So the entrepreneur should be highly innovative. Third is the organizer. That means entrepreneur knows how to organize the things. So he or she should be a well organizer. Next is creative. So creative and innovation is something similar. So he should be creative. That means the creative minded will always seeks uh, the innovation. So the higher the creativity, more likely will be the profit of an organization. Next is the achievement motivated. So the entrepreneur should be highly motivated towards the achievement. This is another characteristics an entrepreneur should have. Next is technically competent. It means the entrepreneur should be technically competent. It should be technically sound. That means he or she could be the technically sound, so that he or she can withstand all the competitiveness of the market. Next is the self confident. So higher will be the self confident, higher will be the leadership skills of the entrepreneur, and it will leads to organize the things in proper way, and it will lead the organization to a higher profit. That is the major objective of the entrepreneurship. Next is the socially responsible. The entrepreneur should be socially responsible. The sole purpose of entrepreneur is not to earn profit. Equally, the entrepreneur should be equally responsible to for the upliftment of the society. Okay, so entrepreneur should also work for the upliftment, for the for enhancing the living standard of the society, of the peoples living in the society. That is also the responsibility of the entrepreneur. The next point is optimistic. The entrepreneur should have the characteristics of optimisticness. That means the entrepreneur should be optimistic to look forward. That means everything will be okay, and the calculated risk has been taken at the positive side. So that characteristics the entrepreneur should have. Now the next 9 and 10 points are something related with the leadership skills and the highly mental ability, which we have already discussed. So we will proceed toward the next point. Next point is human relations ability. That means he should be having the characteristics of human relations ability. That means the relations of the entrepreneur with everyone should be very sound relations, and that will make the enterprise leads towards the higher side. Next is the communication ability. This is the most important point. Uh, until and unless the communication of the an entrepreneur is good, he cannot converse, conversion of the entrepreneur with all the employees or with the uh, in the market is not possible. So the communication of the entrepreneurs should be very good. Next is the decision making. Entrepreneur must have ability to make decision fast. So this is another characteristic the entrepreneur should have. Ability to spot and exploit the opportunities. This is also related with the innovation. That means if suppose we are having any opportunities, so entrepreneur should have that much decision making capability to spot and exploit that opportunities. For example, during this COVID situation, many of the entrepreneurs has developed their business in the sanitizers and masks, etc., etc. Many of the businesses developed. So they have spotted and exploited this opportunity of getting business from the peoples of all over the world. And the last but not least, he or she should be having the quality of leadership, because it is very important. Next topics will be discussed in the next video. Thank you so much.